Hi everybody, it's Chartsky, and today, July the 7th, we officially started summer scalping in the live trading room. In July and August, we tend to take more of the small scalps, but we also take regular trades that have regular profit targets and sometimes bigger profit targets. But we do tend to take more scalps these 2 months, and so since we started today, here's a video showing 3 of them in the late morning session. And we'll have another video of the afternoon session, but these are some of the late trades and the way they were called and the way they were managed in the live trading room. All right, let's take some scalps. 17 in crude oil, 22 add-on, 95 half in the S&P, 96 half add-on. 2 points in the S&P, 10 ticks in crude. Okay, a fill in the S&P. Nothing yet in crude oil. Sorry. 2 point stop, 2 point target on a scalp. We'll come down to 14.19 in crude. Let's see, they got no, there's no way it could.
I'm reasonably confident some of them were classified. There were only 3 in the entire batch we found that bore any markings that indicated they were classified. So that's less likely, but surely it's a reasonable assumption that some of the ones they deleted contain classified information.
Dog and pony show. All right, I'm going to drop down crude oil to 94.99. All right, we're in at 94. Come on, come on. Let's turn this down a little bit. We got one of the Democrats trying to muddy the water. I don't even want to hear it. S&P is trying to turn down, give us our 2 points. Wouldn't be surprised for crude oil to bounce up and give us our add-on. All right, break even in the S&P. I'm sorry, it's hitting 2 points. Take off the add-on trade naturally. So we got our 2 on that one. Looking at crude oil. All right, break even in crude oil. Never mind. Got the scalp on that one. S&P is almost down to 92. I'm going to scalp by 92, add on 91 in the S&P. Scalp by 92 with an add on 91 in the S&P, and I think Crude oil's going to bounce. I'm just not sure where. I'm going to scalp by 50, add on 45 in crude. Scalp by 50, add on 45 in crude. This one's counter trend. We got to be careful now. I want it to come right down into us. Just clean that up a little bit. Scalp by 50, add on 45 in crude. Scalp by 92 with an add on 91 in the S&P. We may make this a 15 tick crude oil bounce. Target will be 65 to start with. On a fill, we're not filled yet. Scalp by 50 in crude with an add-on at 45. Our target's going to be 15 ticks on this one instead of 10. All right, we're in. Target's 15. Could get the add-on. It doesn't look like we're going to get the add-on. We could get a head fake there and it come down and add on. Looking for a bounce. Come on, run the lows, add on and bounce. Come on, come on, come on. One tick away. Come on, hitting on us, hitting on us. Oh, don't tell me you're not going to fill us. Don't front run us again. All right, let's knock it down to 10 tick target. Hit on our add-on and didn't fill us. What do you know? Looks like I missed it by a tick. I should have gone in 51.46. It's just so hard for me to decide where these blame computers are going to front run, especially on a scalp. S&P's coming down. All right, we're in at 92. 2-point scalp. It's coming down a little bit. We got to be careful on this S&P. I really don't like scalping underneath a SR level like that. Right, come on, come on. Hitting on us at 91. No fill. Hitting again, hitting again. Well, they keep hitting it. All right, we're in on the add-on in the S&P. Got to turn up pretty quick for us. We're in one here. We're in both here. Come on. Got to get through 92. That's the problem with these. We may have to scratch this at the average entry. Come on, it's trying. All right, it's trying to get through. One tick, poke through. Crude oil's just having a hard time turning for us, isn't she? Come on, S&P's trying to get through there. All right, we got the add-on in crude, but we got to be careful. It's a late add-on. Watching that S&P, it's trying to turn back up through 92. Come on, guys. You can push. You know you can push. We're getting ready to go to break even on this crude oil trade. I break even on crude oil on the average entry and break even in the S&P at the average entry. Should be coming up. We can't give these counter trend things much room. Come on. That's it. Come on, crude oil. So this will be 10 and 15 ticks on a scalp. S&P will be 2 and 3 points. I don't know if the S&P's got enough juice though. Got enough gas to get up there. We'll see. We're all right. We're at break even. Crude oil's trying to get up. A couple more ticks, all we need. It's already gotten up to 58. Come on. All right, +1 in the S&P. We've given it time. We got to cover cost and commissions on them sometimes. Next push in crude, I'm going to go to +1. It's trying. All right, +1 in crude oil. Both of them are now free trades. Looks like the S&P is going to get knocked out. Crude oil too. But you sure don't want to be on the wrong side of a counter trend scalp. All right, 1 tick is all we got in the S&P. 1 tick's all we got in crude. That's all right. That's what we do on these scalps. We're in and out quick. We don't want to be on the wrong side on these counter trends. All right, let's see what else we can find. All right, looking to scalp now. The S&P down. Sell 93.94. Had no strength and no legs to get up, so we're going to sell it. I'm not ready to do crude oil until it gets up a little bit higher. How about let's go in 55.60 to start with. Okay, 55.60 may drop it down. Let's drop now this week. 50.55 selling crude for 10 tick scalp. S&P, we're in the first. This shouldn't be hard to get a fill in. Remember, we could scalp almost every single candle. Getting ready to drop crude oil to 45.50, but I'm just hanging on to see if it won't come up to 50 one more time. Let us in. There we go. I'll mark them in a minute. We just got, all right, let's see here. Scalp. Scalp. Come on, push down. Come on, come on. Doesn't look like I'm going to get the add-on in the S&P. Crude oil could still come up one time. That's the thing about it's hard to watch these domes on scalps in both markets. That's why I don't do it very much. Come on. All right. These are trend scalps, but we can't just give them forever, because they may retrace. We're getting in down at the end down here. Crude oil comes above our entry again, scratch it. Go to break even in the S&P. Of course, take off the add-on. We're not going to get that. And now we only have to worry about the crude oil dome. It comes above the entry again, we scratch. So take off the add-on because we're not letting it. All right, we're out in the S&P. I'm still watching the crude oil dome here. First push down, we'll go to break even. All right, one tick in crude, one tick closeout. It's coming up a little bit. So this was only a 2. But this was a good scalp. All right, that's the daily profit target off scalps by itself. Let's see. Let's call the morning. Okay, see if there's a question about it. Well, there you go. We could have held that last crude oil trade. It finally did break down, but it could have just as easily broke against us. And anyway, I think we did okay. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important and I urge you to read it. And if you have any questions about any of the trades or anything on the chart, or if you want more information, or if you're interested in joining us, please visit my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email, chartskytrades@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.